Hello friends, welcome to my page. And in today's video, we are going to make landscape painting by using soft pastels. Yes, as you can over the screen, I'm using black soft pastel and soft pastel paper, special paper which is used for soft pastel drawings, for soft pastel paintings. First of all, we will draw ground of this landscape. We will do some roots of trees, some shading. We will fill the area by black soft pastel. We will shade whole area first before we proceed to other details. We must fill up with color, and you can check out on the screen. I'm coloring whole landscape, and also using a blending tool, soft cloth for blending. This is the best tool which you can use, which I prefer to use for blending. The other tools like paper stumps, you can also use your finger. You can also use sponge and some rubber. You can use different tools. You can also use a knife, but I would prefer using a piece of cloth, which is the best tool proven for blending in soft pastel. If it can work for me, it will work for you too. And now I'm coloring whole round, and use the best material as possible. Now I'm using a Mungyo soft pastel color. I will leave the link below for you. And use special sheet, a drawing sheet which is only designed for soft pastel. And now we are coloring ocean of this landscape, which is a very necessary part. We are using the blue soft pastel color, light blue color, which is best for ocean, which gives a very great appearance to the ocean. We are doing some coloring stuff, shading first. Before we proceed to more details, we have to first color the whole ocean. Just fill up the color at first in your landscape. Cover the outlines, fill up the colors of the objects. Now we are proceeding to the sun. As you can see, we are coloring yellow color, which is a shade of sun. Also, we are filling it with white soft pastel to show the brightness of the sun, to show the brightness of the light of the sunset, which will give it very realism. And also we need to blend after coloring. Focus on the all the details which will make your drawing or painting look more realistic, which is a very necessary part. Keep coloring, keep filling all the details until your mind don't feel satisfied. We need to cover up all the details. Now we are making clouds with purple, light purple, and also using some pink, dark pink. to give more details about the sky and the clouds. Also we need to show some shadow of the sun in yellow. We need to cover up all the details. Every detail of the landscape must be covered. Now we are filling the sky with blue color. Because the ocean reflects to the sky. This is why we get the blue sky, because of the ocean reflection. Make sure to not forget to blend your detailing area, which will enhance the look of your colors, of your details. While painting, you can also listen to music, which will calm your senses, which will not make you get tired. Because details take some time to cover up. And now I'm using the cloth for blending to give it a better appearance. You can also use cloth. It is the best tool for blending. You can clean the cloth every time, no matter what, how many times you use it. Now we are covering the detail of this palms, which are shown in this landscape. We will first make some lines before we proceed to the leaves. Now we are making some leaves with the black soft pastel. Use it very lightly. Don't push yourself hard onto the sheet. Use it very lightly to cover up the details, to cover up the sharpness of this leaf. Very softly, very lightly take it. Don't rush yourself while doing this part. Don't rush yourself. Take a deep breath and do it very lightly and softly. And you must blend also after covering up all the details of the leaves, to show that some shadows, to make it more realistic. Without details, your landscape is incomplete. We need all the details, all the richness of these colors, all the brightness of the details. Make sure that while covering the details of palm tree, you must also focus on the air, where air is flowing, where leaves are turning. You must also focus on those things also. Keep coloring until you're not fully satisfied by the details. Now we are blending the leaves of palm tree to make it more realistic, covering up the shadows. Now you can see over the screen it look more better than before. very rich in colors, more realistic. Before you do any coloring, study the whole color part and details, which is very necessary. You can also blend with finger like this. Now we are blending the sky. Covering up some details of clouds. And thank you very much for watching this video.